Hey guys, so I'm back outside. So it's a little bit after 6 o'clock. So as I was doing my little update video earlier from up here, I actually showed it to my grandparents about, as I was mentioning about this lawn tractor, the Huskee lawn tractor. Well, apparently my grandfather actually did fix it, believe it or not. And apparently he had to have some help from my grandmother, and didn't even tell me about it just until now. I think what happened was the drive belt on the lawn tractor, apparently it slipped out for some stupid reason. Don't know for sure. My grandfather has actually had this problem happen to him before, and so yeah, just to show y'all that this thing is drivable again. So let me pull this out and I'll start it up and I'll go for a little ride. Oh, so that's cool. That was kind of one of the reasons why I'm back up here. I would have helped my grandfather on doing that. Last time I was up here, I helped my grandfather replace the deck drive belt, which that was a pretty simple fix. That only took us about less than about 5 minutes. So yeah. So let's do a cold start. I don't know the last time it's been since this thing last ran, so I'll just prove to y'all that it does drive again. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's see if this will start. Okay, so I have throttle, choke, put on the brake. Alright, let's see what she does. Forward. How about that? Perfect. Drives like brand new. Still not quite running that good, though. It still has carburetor issues. We'll just go for a little quick drive. I'm not going to do any mowing. Work in reverse. Yep. Alright, cool. So I just want to show y'all that this thing is up and going again. Cool.